In today's video, I am going to build my dream trading setup. What is the most optimal setup when it comes to my monitor configuration, what computer I'm going to be using to make sure that I am going to have the most efficient and effective and optimal workflow to trade and make money in the stock market. Let's go. So I'm thinking maybe one monitor or two off to the side. I could even mount it on the edge of this desk. And then I want a dedicated monitor, probably a vertical monitor off to the side where I could see my Discord, my mentorship group. So I've got two, I believe these are 24-inch monitors. These are the ones, they came all the way from Malibu. These are my old setup monitors. However, I think I might have to get a couple new monitors as well. I want like kind of side dual monitor. I want to maintain this view of the city and I want to have like a smooth workflow in between monitors. So I got to figure this out. All right. There's one. It's just so funny because these two monitors used to take up the majority of my old desk. And now, because the space is so big and this desk is so huge, these seem teeny. Yeah, number two. Like, look how small this looks compared to how big this desk is. And then just this enormous space. All right, so I've been messing with this monitor configuration for a while now. I've got one more monitor. These are my two small 24-inch. This is like a 32-inch. I kind of like this. I'm not going to leave those there, but I kind of like this being off to the side like this. But again, I'm just trying not to block the view. Whatever this thing is called, I don't think it can run more than 4 monitors. So that might be an issue. And I had a custom PC I built. It was like an $8,000 custom PC that I used to run my old setup, which was a 3/3, so 6 monitors, which was absolutely ridiculous. And for me, it's just like refreshing in a sense to have a new setup, a new layout. But I'm so stoked and so motivated to start trading with this new setup once I finish. All right, so here's what I'm thinking for the configuration. I've got this one monitor off to my right, and then here, I'm liking this vertical, and then instead of having a second one come out here and block the view, I wanna have it like this, okay? And maybe just put my laptop right here. All right, this looks like exactly what I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this on Amazon. It's only 40 bucks. I also forgot to mention, I will link everything for my entire setup, all these monitors, tomorrow. Perfect. Place order. I want to take a minute and do a quick trade recap, show you guys a trade I ended up closing yesterday for $4,100 profit. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. One trade was taken yesterday. I ended up closing it on October 5th. My net P&L was $4,128.81, okay? Ticker was KSS, and my return on this position was 22.31%. All right, so I did just start this new trade journal. That's why there's no other trade data. Essentially, I want to be as transparent as I possibly can. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've connected my broker with this trade journal. So you will be able to see with full transparency all of my trades and how much money I am making. Moving forward, everyone will have access to see that in the YouTube videos like I'm sharing right now. And then if I go to the actual trade log, and then if I click on the trade itself, here are all the details on the trade. You can see my entry right here. Now this is per contract, so you can see I got filled on 67 contracts, 66 contracts, 15 contracts at $1.25. And then the following day, here's my exits with the timestamps and the different fills, the various fills, okay? Now, I've been trading in the stock market for the last 6 years, and I've actually taken it upon myself to help educate the new, younger generation, or it doesn't matter how old you are, but just in general, help educate the public out there on how to find that consistent profitability and success in the market. So I did put together a mentorship group, which in the mentorship, you will get access to a Discord. Now this is the Discord you can see right now on my screen. And in this Discord under trading callouts, I literally post my exact trades. So when I found this trade on KSS, I explained this setup I saw on this chart was the pullback play setup, which I actually teach in the masterclass you also get when joining the mentorship group. So the masterclass has about 30-40 videos breaking down my entire trading system as a whole, covering all of the setups that I do trade. So I ended up seeing and identifying this pullback play setup. I bought the November 17th, 2023 $20 puts at 125 a contract on KSS. You can see my broker fills, and then again my fills right here you can see as well because my trade journal is synced up to my broker. And then the following day when the market opened, you can see KSS ended up pulling back about 3%, okay? And then there's a screenshot of my broker order fills to get out of that position, so my sell order. And then here's a screenshot of the chart, okay, within a minute or two after I exited this position. And I love seeing members sharing, like, you know, their profits. So like this one guy, he ended up making 264% on his portfolio. One of our other members looks like he was up 38%, ended up holding those contracts longer than I did, which is amazing to see. So if you guys are interested in joining my mentorship group, it is application only, but all you have to do is click the first link in the description, head over to our website, and then click the apply now button. Spend a couple minutes filling out that application, and then someone from my team will reach out via text with more details. But with that said, let's get back to building my dream trading setup. All right, so I just got the monitor stand in the mail. Let's unbox it. So I have successfully set up this mount and mounted these two 24-inch Dell monitors. And now I'm trying to figure out how I want to actually space these out. If I don't want any crack in the middle, if they should be perfectly in line. But honestly, I'm really liking how this is coming out so far. I gotta figure out where I want to hang this up as well. All right, so after messing around with the configuration for a while, I ended up really liking how this works. Now I have to figure out how I want to fill in the gaps here, but it looks pretty good. Now, this is the worst part. I have to figure out how to wire all of these monitors to my computer. All right, so I decided I'm gonna try an entirely different configuration and just see how it looks. So now I've got the double stack dual monitor arm off here to the right, so it doesn't block my view at all. And then I put this larger monitor here on the left, and then this monitor to the right. I am so excited to finish this tonight, and then tomorrow morning when the market opens, I'm trading on a brand new setup. Like, this is literally my dream trading setup, so I'm so excited and I'm almost there. So I just finished my trading setup. Check it out. And so if you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next one. Later.